guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching me again. On today, if you guys read the title already, I know I can't freaking believe it that I have the collection in my hands right now. I should have filmed when I first got it. Oh my god, I opened the box and I started screaming because I mean, come on now, it's Selena. I didn't think I was gonna get the packaging. I didn't think I was gonna get the collection, and I got it, and oh my god, I like cried and I was just screaming and screaming basically the whole day. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I just quickly recorded and I was like screaming like, you guys, I got it. So if you guys are a subby watching this, thank you so much. Don't forget to put this video a thumbs up, or if you're just a viewer that is searching for the Selena collection, I hope you stay, I hope you subscribe, and I would love to have you in this family. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this makeup look, which I feel like it's really simple, neutral, and just perfect for like every day. Also going to be just swatching everything on this collection, everything for you guys. Look at my arm right now, like my arm is beaten, girl. Like I am swatching every single product so you guys can see what you guys want to purchase, because today I am filming it on the day that they're going to release it again. So make sure you guys get your hands on some stuff. I'm going to show you guys the gorgeous packaging that it came with. Most of the beauty bloggers received this pack. I seriously didn't think that I was going to get this packaging because, you know, I am like in the lower numbers. So I'm like, they're probably not going to send it to me. I cannot wait to buy it myself. But thank you so much to M.A.C for blessing me and giving me this opportunity to test everything out. And I cannot wait for you guys to see it. Are you guys ready? Oh my god, like seriously. Here is how big it is. It's a big old box, and look at you guys. How freaking gorgeous is this rose? It's all holographic, so everything in this collection is going to be holographic. It is a beautiful 3D. So when you open it, you can see all my fingerprints. The collection is under there. So here is how it looks with her beautiful face, and then there's a little note on the side from Mr. and Mrs. Quintanilla. Here's all the products, and I'm going to show you guys the swatches, don't worry. And to top it off, you guys, they sent out the little bustier. Top it off, you guys, they sent out Selena's makeup bag. Oh my goodness, like every detail in here is just well thought of. The missing rhinestones, you can feel them too. Let me just give you guys a close-up. I want you guys to just see how gorgeous is this collection. And this one retails, the Selena makeup bag retails for $35. How amazing is this to have something like this? So what it says right here, it says M.A.C and Selena. As we look back on the 25 years, our hearts have been continually touched. The reasons are many. We are grateful for all the fans who have continued to inspire by Selena's grace, her kindness, and her inner and outer beauty. We are grateful that her legacy is one that continues to inspire people, both young and old, across the globe. She was always special to us, and we humbly thank her fans for celebrating what made her so inspiring. Thank you for carrying a little piece of Selena with you in your hearts. Love, Mr. and Mrs. Quintanilla, M.A.C, Selena. And here's the packaging, purple and holographic with the roses. I feel like this packaging was the most beautiful from the first collection. I feel like this one just speaks her. It just represents her really, really well. So here is the packaging of the eyeshadow palette, and the eyeshadow palette is called Me Siento Muy Excited. And it's holographic with the beautiful printed rose, but you can feel it. It came with this cute little picture of her, and of course, I'm not gonna throw that away. Here's the colors so you guys can see. I feel like they're wearable and you can spice it up as well. So I love the fact that they added some neutrals and colorful shimmers and matte. I just really love the packaging of the palette, you guys. The way that it feels, the colors, everything about it. It just represents her really, really well. And I love the way that you can feel the little bra bustier here with the little rhinestones. You can actually feel it. I'm just going to create a neutral eye color. I do have videos of me creating Selena's makeup look, so I will link you guys in the video so you guys can watch them. And I have a neutral one, and then I have the one with the red lips. So I'm just going to play with the colors so gentle because it just hurts my heart to touch the shadows, you guys, because I mean, it's a collection. A collection is meant to have and just look at and not even touch, you know? So I am doing this because M.A.C, of course, sent it to me, and I want you guys to take a look and see what you guys like from this collections, which today is 21st, so it came out already again because the first time that it came out, it was sold out in less than a minute, I believe so. So I want to show you guys how it looks on me, on my skin tone, and see what you guys like. So I'm gonna get you guys a little closer so you guys can see. Swipe this shadow all over. Beautiful color. I love when companies add on this type of colors in the palettes because it just makes it easier on the customer creating makeup looks, because you start with your neutrals. It is so pigmented because look, I am touching this shadow so gentle and you can't even see anything on it. Like seriously, I am being super gentle with this palette. Like, I'm seriously praying, please claws, do not scratch it because I'm gonna have a BF. So I'm going to add that right here to the fold of the eye. My mom would, remember we lived in a trailer and she would play Selena for me in the living room. She would make me my outfits, my mom, she would make me my clothes, and I will be dancing in the living room. I hope I can get some footage for you guys, but hopefully one day, because they're on the VHRs or VHS, whatever. So I need to buy one so I can play back the movies, because Mama would always record us. Especially she was recording me dancing to the whole last concert of Selena. I remember that. So there we have both of the colors. So now what I'm thinking of doing is just doing like a smoked out wing, so I don't have to add any eyeliner or anything. So for that, I'm going to be using this dark one, this dark shadow right here. I'm just gonna do a small wing, starting little by little, winging it out. I'm just getting really close as a tight line. So now I'm going to be adding this cream nude shadow to the bottom of my brow bone. So I'm going to add this color and apply it on the bottom of my lash line. You guys know this, to smoke it out. So there you guys have the eyes. I feel like they're really nice and wearable. I can see her rocking this, obviously. And I just feel like this palette is freaking amazing because you can rock any shadow day or night. I mean, so let me tell you right now, get 2 palettes if you can't get 2, because one for your collection and one because I know you are going to just wear the shadows every day. So they're so beautiful, and I'm thinking of getting another one because, I mean, come on, it's Selena. I cannot hit pan. I cannot hit pan, and nothing in this collection I can't hit pan. So moving on to highlight. They released La Leyenda, and the packaging is the same thing, holographic, rose, beautiful. So this one, it's the Extra Dimension Skin Finish from M.A.C product. So, and here is the packaging, you guys. So pretty. It also has part of the bra, and when you open it, it has her little face on there. You guys, this highlighter looks really skin finish, like it says. Really beautiful. I keep adding. This is my second time adding, and I do not see my blemishes coming out, you know, because sometimes you can apply some highlight and you can see your skin coming through. So moving on to the lips, here is the packaging for the lip liner. Same thing, holographic with the rose. And this lip liner is called Entre a mi Mundo. This is even beautiful just by itself. It's like an everyday lip color. So now I'm going to be adding lipstick, you guys. Oh my god, I didn't want to use a lipstick because they're just so beautiful. I mean, everything in here is freaking perfect and beautiful. And you guys ready? Look at that. There's a rose. So I'm gonna use this ever so slightly so it doesn't look ugly after. I feel like it made this lip a little bit more brown, right? What do you guys think? So the lipstick that I'm wearing, it's called La Reina. It's a brown, gorgeous color. There you guys have the final look. Nude lips, nude eyes, really nice and neutral. It's giving me a 90s vibe because I mean the 90s, they rocked eyes like this a lot. So I had to create a makeup look for you guys because obviously you guys are buying this palette and you guys want to know what to create with it, right? Or you guys are just buying the palette to collect it. So either way, I wanted to create something for you guys using the product. Now I'm going to start swatching the rest of the collection so you guys can see. And there you guys have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks to you guys, I'm able to receive all this amazing goodies. So thank you guys so much. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below what product are you thinking of getting, or what did you get already? Let me know in the comments down below, girl. Let me know what you think of the collection. Did you guys like it? Do you guys like the first collection? Just let me know. Let me know everything, girl. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you guys can be the first ones to know of my videos coming out, because girl, I've been doing my best to upload 2 videos a week. I'm trying. It's so hard, but I'm trying. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.